Hey guys, what's going on? It's always great to chat at you folks, and if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that'd be great. Okay, let's talk about Live Good. All right, how to get people to sign up in your business. All right, one thing that I've really perfected over the last 2 years, because I'm on my 2 year anniversary right now. Today is Today's March 1st of 2025, and I joined Live Good right around March 2 years ago. So I got about 2 years under my belt with this online thing, period. Okay, I don't have a 5 to 10 year, 20, 30 year history, pedigree, resume of building a massive list and a following. Okay, when I joined Live Good, I was enjoying the products. All right, you can see some of the products on my little mini fridge off to the left. So I was just going to livegood.com, like going to amazon.com, walmart.com. Okay, then I wanted to be a member because if I spent $10 a month, I was saving about 30 to 40 bucks on all these products right here. Okay, so yeah, it makes sense. Just be a member. It's actually $9.95. Then, boom, because of the products and because of a friend getting a hold of me saying, "Why aren't you an affiliate?" I'm like, "Oh, I don't want to be an affiliate. It's a pain in the butt. I don't want to have to buy products and pretend I sell them to friends. And then if I sell a product for 50 bucks that's only worth $5, then I feel guilty and it's a cash grab. And, just MLM to me just, gives me that ick." Okay. Well, I looked at the affiliate pay plan, and we're a membership-based company. That's where we make our bucks, okay? So $40 one time, that is it. There's no qualifications. You don't have to join and wait 3 months and give all your profit to the company and your upline. With Live Good, it's like, look, you got 40 bucks, you're an affiliate. One and done for life, like a tattoo. You have $9.95 a month. You are a member, and you can go ahead and buy the products wholesale, and you can earn money. I'm like, well, this almost seems too good to be true, but I did it. I had two $20 bills, spent 40, doing the $9.95. And I'll be darned, over a 2 year period, if I don't have over 410 people signed up just my front line, my personal downline, where people just get a hold of me and say, "Hey, you know what? I'm going to join." And I'd say 95% of people, they just go ahead and join first, then get a hold of me and say, "Hey, I joined up. I'm excited. Do you have any tips or tricks or hints, gossip? How'd you get 410 people?" Okay. I can't beg you enough to please write this down or memorize this. Keep it simple, Sally. See that kiss lamp? Keep it simple, silly. I don't like the word stupid. All right? Keep it simple. Invite people to click something, to watch something. People do not want to call. They don't want to even text. They barely even email you. They just want to go, "Where is a little video I can watch to answer my questions? Do you have an FAQ section? Is there a pay plan video? Are there little training videos I can watch to get some advice on how to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or to email?" And I'm like, yes, 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 yes. You're speaking my language. Because I'm the same. I don't really want to talk. I don't mind meeting people now and then on the phone. It kind of feels good that there's actual real people out there, because my whole business is in my little man cave I've built here, talking to a webcam a lot. But that's okay. I have a coffee. I have a nice drink. I have a bathroom right next to me here where I can just take a little tinkle if I need to. Okay? But it's all about the cell phone and the home phone or laptop now, guys. Okay? You can do a selfie video. "Hey, what's up?" Or you can do it this way. Or maybe buy a webcam. All right? The webcam I'm speaking to you on, it's called Logitech C920. Logitech C920. They're probably 50 bucks, 60 bucks on Amazon. I bought mine a year or two ago. And I actually have the resolution turned down. It goes so clear that it's like 3D. It's creepy. It looks like I can come through the screen and hang out with you guys and talk about music and the band Kiss and Hot Wheels all day. Okay? But get yourself a webcam if you can, and just get a desk, get a pad, paper. Maybe, do you guys like Post-it notes? I love little Post-it notes still. I put them on the side of my camera, so if I'm talking to you guys and I kind of forget, or I need my topic, or just maybe like, oh crap, I forgot what I was talking about, so look off to the side of the camera and kind of help yourself out through Post-it notes or whatnot. Go ahead. Tell people you're new. Don't be shy and say, oh gosh, guys, I have 10 to 20 years experience, and I feel like I have to fake it to make it. And I'm making millions of dollars, and I've got a Lamborghini and a yacht and a badass house on the beach, okay? No one gives a rat's ass. Not in March of 2025. No one cares. Zero people care. They just want to know, what's the opportunity? What's the product? How much? Is there training and support? Then you, people, want to be just left alone. And you can sit down and just decide for yourself, hey, you know what? I think I can do this. I'm going to join. It looks like there's some nice customer support with LiveGood. There's a community. I can always go to YouTube. There must be 5 billion YouTube videos about LiveGood. I myself have 3,800. All right, I'm going to make another 1,000 just in 2025, another 1,000 in 2026. I always make a couple videos per day about this company. Okay, I'm a big fan. I'm not going anywhere. All right. I had no idea I'd be successful and actually earn money just by chatting with you guys on a web video like this, or maybe posting on, let's say, Facebook, a Facebook post. Okay. But keep things simple. Now I'm going to show you what I do. All right. It's pretty simple. Now I'm going to shrink my screen. Okay. Do you see right there, joincory.com? Okay, I bought this domain name at GoDaddy. I think they're the best because they have 24-hour live human customer support. That domain, I think, cost me $10. Right now, they're about $11.95 if they're brand new. All you need is a domain. You don't need web hosting and all this stuff. Now, if you want an email address and all this custom upgrade stuff, that's up to you. But if you just want a simple domain like joincory.now.com, workwithcory.com, and of course, joincory.com right here on your screen. I recommend getting yourself 1 or 2 cheap domains that are fun, that you like, and you want to put on maybe a little business card, like this from Vistaprint. I just go to Vistaprint. A box of these right here are about $18 plus $5 for shipping. So basically $23. You'll get a big old box of business cards that you're probably not going to go through in 1 year. I rounded the corners. I put a red background with a race car because I love cars. I always make sure that my font is simple and it jumps off the card or the website. This is like a billboard on the side of the freeway. When you drive by, wouldn't you agree that you would see Join Cory? I think you agree. That's how you want your business cards. And if you want to put your name and your phone number and email address, it's up to you. You don't have to put nothing. Just remember this. You want people to go click joincory.com. Now, why? Because it goes to a LiveGood capture page, okay? And I'm going to show you, and you can see, if you just go to joincory.com, it's going to go to a LiveGood video. That's why I want you to click and watch. All right, now yesterday, what's today? Okay, Friday, yeah. Right there, yeah, it looks like I got 3 people that were pre-enrolled. And if you look right there, look, I had 2 people yesterday sign up, okay? Just by keeping things simple. All right, now look at your screen. I'm going to go ahead and just type in joincory.com. Okay, this is what I mean by click and watch. And this is what I also mean by GoDaddy or whoever's hosting your domain name. Just have them for free forward to this link right here. Now, my username is right there. You're going to have your own. Let's say your name is Bob Smith or whatever your username is. It's going to be that little name right there after the /. You're going to tell GoDaddy, hey, forward to this link. So when people click joincory.com, it's going to bounce to this page. People will watch this little video. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's produced by Ben Glinsky. It's awesome. If people want more information, you put your name and email. If people want to join LiveGood, you put your name and email. Click that little button, and guess what? You open up your email, and you have a message from LiveGood, and you can join right there. Get your username, password, pay with a debit card, credit card. We even take cryptocurrency through iPayout, and I forgot the other one. I think it's called iPay. But we take cryptocurrency too, because a lot of countries don't have like banks and Visa and debit and all these other great banking institutions like I do. Okay, so we do accept cryptocurrency. All right, so keep it simple, KISS, just like that lamp right there. I prefer a nice business card, and you just hand it out if someone brings it up on a street level. Don't talk about Live Good. Let them go to the video and watch it. And if they don't want to do it, boom, they're on their way and you're on your way. But please don't talk for 30 minutes to an hour and recruit like old school Avon in the 70s, Herbalife Nu Skin in the 80s, or whatever in the 90s and the 2000s. People want to watch little videos about the opportunity, the pay plan, and everything else. Invite people to the Live Good capture page. Boy, does it work. Okay? It's put me in the top 30 of the company. I'm very proud of that. And once again, watch that little video, put your name and email in there, and for the next 30 days, you'll get one email message from Live Good, and you can opt out anytime. But keep these emails because you want to keep them and use them yourself if you want to recruit through email. And they're good emails, trust me. I'm picky on emails. If they're long and they're boring, I know they're not going to work. I'm a big fan of the Live Good emails. Okay, so do this. First, you got to get a domain name, joincory.com. That's what I did. GoDaddy. It was like $11. Forward it to the Live Good capture page, which is right here. And you guys will figure it out. There's training and everything else where to find this little link in your back office when you join Live Good. If you want, get a business card. Okay, hand them out. Don't talk about Live Good too much. Keep it mysterious. Let the videos do everything, okay? And I think if you follow these steps, all right, I think you're going to have a really good response, okay? I'm more worried about, I don't have experience and I don't know how to do a video like you're doing, Cory, on a webcam or a selfie video. Don't worry. Some of our most successful people do zero video, zero names. I don't even know who they are. They just have a company that says Team Diamond or Team whatever, Team America. Who knows what they're called? I don't know who they are, but you can not do video and succeed. You can do email. I know you can do it. You might have a relative like a son, daughter, wife, hubby that enjoys doing Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Threads, short little videos on YouTube. I forgot what they called. Are they called shorts? I forgot. But do little videos that are 10 seconds long. Or if you get comfortable on camera, do what I'm doing. Just talk for about 10, 12 minutes or 5 minutes, 3 minutes. There's no recommended amount of time. My favorite is 10 minutes. I feel like I can just speak calmly, show some things on my screen, and invite you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I hope you do. And that's it. Okay, so joincory.com. Please go there if you haven't joined Live Good yet. And if you need to get a hold of me, I'm not shy, guys. Cory at corydraper.com. That's my email. And just search for me on Facebook. You'll know it's me. Trust me. I post like 25 times a day on Facebook. I'm not hard to find on Facebook. Okay. You guys have a good one, all right? And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I always love that. All right. Peace and love. We'll see you guys next video, okay? All right. Take care, guys. Bye.